Hi world, my name is Lucille Obetlile. I'm a 21-year-old Botswana lady, young lady. I'd love to do modeling because it's always been my dream ever since the world has presented to me. It's 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 something that I've always wanted to do because it's not only about the dress code, it's the feeling, it's having to represent the people, it represents your people. It's all about making somebody feel worth it. I'd say my inspirations would be practically everyone. My role models would be Naomi. She's just so natural. Tari Banks, I love the way she could understand where everybody comes from. It's not about your background. It's about what you do now and how you move forward. So what I would love to do is just be there for you so you know exactly what you have to do. If you like me, if I impress you, all you have to do is go to gemvote.com and press the green button and vote for me. Please, it's always what I've wanted to do, and you have the power to actually make my dreams come true. Yeah, I'd love to represent you.